In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watermark in Canva. Whether you're looking to protect your content or simply want to add a distinct touch to your visuals, creating a watermark is a simple yet effective way to achieve that. So let's dive into the process and explore each step in detail. To start off, visit Canva's website and open a new design or an existing one where you'd like to apply your watermark. Once your design is open, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar where you'll see an option labeled Text. Click on this button to proceed. This is your gateway to all the text-based features within Canva. Next, you'll want to add a text box to your design, so click on the option that says Add a Text Box. This action will place a new text element onto your canvas where you can start crafting your watermark. At this stage, don't worry about the exact size or placement, we'll refine that in a moment. Now type in the text that you'd like to use for your watermark. It could be your name, your brand, or a logo. Once you have your text in place, the next step is to expand and position it appropriately. Click on the text box and use the resizing handles to adjust the size of your watermark. It should be noticeable but not overpowering. Move it to a location that works best for your design, typically an unobtrusive yet visible spot. With your watermark now typed out and resized, focus on the aesthetics by highlighting the text. This can be done by selecting your text box and choosing the highlight option from the toolbar above. Highlighting helps your watermark stand out against varied backgrounds without overshadowing the primary content of your design. Next, click on the transparency icon located in the top right section of the editor. This feature allows you to adjust the opacity of your text. By making your watermark semi-transparent, you strike a good balance between visibility and subtlety, ensuring it doesn't distract from the main content of your design. Finally, play around with the transparency level until you reach a blend that feels right to you. Typically, settings between 20% to 50% work well, but it ultimately depends on how pronounced you want the watermark to appear. Adjust and settle on a level that complements your design seamlessly. And there you have it, a professional looking watermark in Canva. Remember, watermarks are a fantastic way to safeguard your creative work and maintain brand consistency across your projects. Practice these steps, and soon you'll find yourself mastering watermark creation with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.